GPO USA AC plug 18W GaN charger fast charging GaN Type-C PD3. 0 quick plug-in for phone, mobile, notebook, laptop. GPO Fast USA AC plug 18W GaN Type-C GaN Type-C plus USB wall-mounted fast charger can be applied to Latops tablet, Macbook Air, Macbook Pro 16, smartphone, compatible Samsung mobile, Apple iPhone, Xiaomi. Output voltage and current 12V1, 25A, 9V2A, 5V2, 4A, 5V4, 5A, 6V6, 5V3A, 5V2, 4A, 9V5A, 5V9V2A, 1V2A, 20V, 9V12V1, 5A, 9V1, 67A, 5V2A, 5V1A, 5V3A, 5V4A, 5V2, 1A, 12V5A, 1V2, 4A, 5V1, 2A, 5V1, 5A, 1V2, 1A, 12V1, 5A,